Hey y'all, I'm out here today working on various projects, and I thought I would mention to you that I get a lot of containers from the Dollar Tree. Here's an example of one. Got two of these. Got a couple of these. Got this cute little one. And I have a couple of these hanging baskets. Now the thing about the ones from Dollar Tree is that you're going to have to drill your own holes. They don't come pre-drilled. But otherwise, like, this is pretty sturdy. You could hang it if you wanted to. You could even put a different hanger on here if you don't like these white strings, which I don't. This I also drill holes in. I like to put my succulents in these. And some of the seeds, my vegetable seeds that I've started inside, until we're past our possibility of freezing, I'll probably transplant some of them into these after I've drilled holes. So for under $10, I got 2, 4, 6, 7 containers for under $10. It's a pretty good deal. I've never had a problem with them. If you go to a big box store, I'm sure you can find some a little sturdier, but these last a long time. In case you haven't noticed yet, we're all about saving money where we can save money, and if it's not necessary to go to a big box store and pay a lot of money for your containers, then why not? This was not the only selection that they had. They had a bunch of different kinds. These were just the kinds that I chose, and I'll probably be going back to get some more. For my lavender and my chamomile, I can put some of these on my front porch. And when my deck gets built with the materials that Tommy and I are gathering right now from that deck we're tearing down, we'll have plenty of space to put a lot of potted plants. So, do I think the Dollar Tree planters are worth it? I do. It was 75 degrees here today, and we're getting closer to spring, so it's time to start thinking about these things. And I do know that the store that I go to, the Dollar Tree that I go to, does sell out of these pretty quickly in the spring. So now's the time you want to go out and get you some new planters. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you're having a good week. If you haven't already, please subscribe.